Everybody, that was a little bit of my new song called Don't Let Anybody Break It Down. It's a new song. So, tune back. I'm getting ready and I'm warming up. It just warmed up. I'm so excited. I'm ready to do this song. I'll see everybody in the next minute. All right. Talk to you then. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Oh, I got it. Well, I guess I can go like now. I can go from right here. Go like that. See? Just, you learn something every day, everybody. I used to swing it over my head, but I could also undo it and just put it back here. Got a little hook. All right, take 5. I'll see you in the next minute. Barbara Campbell. Be live on air, Barbara Campbell Television. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next minute. I'm going to take about a 5-minute break, drink some water, dehydrate. Bye, everybody.